What if making money online did not have to be confusing? What if you only needed one simple strategy to finally get started? Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you a simple strategy to start making money online, even if you are a complete beginner. What if making money online did not have to be confusing? What if you only needed one simple strategy to finally get started? Pick one audience, create one simple offer, and take action without overthinking everything. Most beginners do not fail because they have no ideas. They get stuck because they have too many ideas and do not know which one to start with. The truth is, simple beats complicated. You do not need 10 strategies. You need one clear plan you can actually follow. Money online usually comes from solving problems. People pay for help, speed, shortcuts, clarity, convenience, and results. Here is the simple strategy: choose one problem, help one type of person, and create one clear offer. Instead of asking, "How can I make money fast?" ask, "What problem can I solve for someone today?" That question changes everything. Start by looking around you. People are struggling with time, money, content, organization, technology, resumes, fitness, cleaning, planning, and learning new skills. Complaints are clues. When someone says, "I do not have time," "I do not know how," or "I wish this was easier," pay attention. Online comments are full of problems. Look at YouTube comments, TikTok comments, Facebook groups, Reddit posts, and questions people keep asking. Write down 10 problems people have. Do not judge the ideas yet. The goal is to train your mind to see money opportunities inside everyday problems. After you find a problem, choose who you want to help. A clear audience makes your offer easier to explain and easier to sell. Do not say, "I help everybody." That sounds unclear. Say, "I help busy beginners," "I help small business owners," or "I help new creators." When you are specific, people feel like you are speaking directly to them. That makes them more likely to listen, trust, and take action. Use this simple formula: I help this person solve this problem so they can get this result. Now turn the problem into an offer. An offer is simply the help you provide and the result the person gets. For example, I help small business owners create 5 simple social media posts so they can show up online this week.
Inzujang the two-lined.
Another example, I help job seekers improve their resume so they can apply with more confidence.
Another example, I help beginners organize their weekly budget so they can understand where their money is going. Do not spend months building a big product before knowing if people want it. Start small and test the offer first. Post your offer online. Tell people who it is for, what problem it solves, what result they get, and what to do next. You can also send respectful direct messages. Do not spam. Just look for people who may need help and offer a simple solution. Make the next step easy. Say, "Comment help," "Send me a message," "Book a call," or "Click the link." Confused people do not take action. When someone says yes, focus on delivering the result. Keep it simple, communicate clearly, and do what you promised. After you deliver, ask for feedback. What did they like? What confused them? What else do they need help with? If the client is happy, ask for a testimonial. Testimonials help future customers trust you faster. Then repeat the process. One problem, one audience, one offer, one simple action every day. That is how you build momentum online. You do not need to be perfect to start making money online. You need a simple problem, a clear audience, a helpful offer, and the discipline to take action. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Fast Money Marion, and comment start if you are ready to make your first move online. What if the reason people are not buying from you is because you are selling the idea, but they actually want the result? Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you how to sell results instead of ideas, so people understand the value of what you offer. By the end of this video, you'll know how to explain your offer in a simple way, focus on the outcome, and make people see why your solution matters. A lot of beginners try to sell ideas. They say things like, I have a course, I have a template, or I have a service. But that does not always tell people why they should care. Think about it like this. Your idea is the vehicle, but the result is the destination. Most people are paying because they want to arrive somewhere better. People do not wake up wanting another product. They wake up wanting less stress, more time, more confidence, more money, better organization, or a clear next step. Selling results means you explain what your offer helps someone achieve, fix, avoid, save, improve, or understand. Instead of saying, I sell a budget spreadsheet, say, I help beginners see where their money is going so they can feel more in control.
Instead of saying, I create social media posts, say, I help small businesses show up online consistently so customers remember them.
To sell results, start with the problem. What is the person struggling with? What feels confusing, stressful, slow, expensive, or frustrating? The surface problem is not always the real pain. A messy schedule may really mean stress. A weak resume may really mean feeling stuck. A bad website may really mean lost customers. After you understand the pain, ask what they want instead. Do they want more time, more sales, better confidence, less confusion, better content, or a faster process? Once you know what they want, turn that desire into a clear promise. Your promise should be simple enough for someone to understand quickly. Features explain what something is. Benefits explain why it matters. Results explain what changes after someone uses it. A feature might be, this guide has 10 pages. A benefit might be, it is easy to follow. But the result is, you can plan your first offer today without feeling overwhelmed. If you offer video editing, do not only say, I edit videos. Say, I turn your long videos into short clips so you can post more content without spending hours editing. If you sell a template, do not only say, this is a template. Say, this helps you save time and avoid starting from a blank page. Use this formula. I help this person get this result without this struggle. For example, I help new creators plan 30 content ideas without staring at a blank screen for hours. The more specific the result, the easier it is to understand. Clear results help people know exactly what they are getting. Do not make wild promises you cannot control. Keep your result honest, realistic, and connected to what you can actually help with. Before and after examples are powerful because they show the difference your offer can make. Screenshots, samples, mock-ups, checklists, and examples help people see what the result looks like before they buy. Testimonials help because they let other people explain the result you help them get. If people need too much time to understand your offer, they may leave. Simple words sell better than confusing words. When explaining your offer, say what changes. Will they save time, feel organized, post more consistently, understand their money, get a cleaner design? After you explain the result, tell people what to do next. Message you, comment a keyword, book a call, click the link, or download the offer. At the end of the day, people buy transformation. They want to go from confused to clear, stuck to moving, stressed to calm, or invisible to seen. So repeat this simple process. Find the problem, understand the result they want, explain the transformation, show proof, and make the next step easy. Do not just sell the idea, sell the result. Show people what changes, why it matters, and how your offer helps them move forward. If this helped you, if you are ready to sell outcomes instead of ideas,